Sarkar. I am from IBS Pune and I did my internship from Abhi Impact Logistics Solutions. Our project was basically related to the warehouse survey and the computer analysis. And the project work that we have done, it was supported by Supply Chain Next and also the Abhi Impact Logistics Solutions. And as per now, whatever the experiences that we have, it was a great exposure for us, and we were so fortunate to work with all the higher management profiles of Abhi Impact Logistics.
I'm Sarina Tani from December, and basically studying in IBS, I could not find any practical knowledge. But coming into Abhi Impact Logistics and doing my internship over there, I found the mentors very helpful, and I was successful in getting appointments. I was successful in getting the help of Mr. Nikhil Oswal, Mr. Rathadal Sharma, Mr. Jitendra sir, and I am really thankful to these three personalities. Whenever I used to have any query, they used to be friendly and they used to solve. Being a company like this in Pune, it is a very good opportunity for the generation to come, for supply chain, for marketing itself, to go in the company and learn from these personalities.
Hello, my name is Anna Sarkar. As I have got a very golden opportunity to learn my SIP from Abhi Impact Logistics, it's out of my words. What can I say? During my warehouse survey, whatever the works what I have done is really a very beneficial part for me, and it will work in my coming future.
The growth is ultimately hide behind the success. Is that how exactly you are contributing yourself in terms of showing ownership? Okay. Always ask yourself what additional I need to do. Okay. And the most of all the initiatives. Initiatives is lacking nowadays. I think most of the students will lack in terms of initiatives. And if the person don't take the initiative, the growth stop that moment only. Not only the youngster, but the senior people also.
Myself, Kaustubh Dave. I have done my internship with Abhi Impact Logistics, Pune. I must say it is a very good company as a supply chain company, and it provides a very good opportunity to learn marketing as well as operation. We did this survey, real life business intelligence we used. Also we did the competitive analysis, and each and every sector of the marketing was initiated and exposed by us, and also we got the chance to work with the phenolics plant, and we did various type of projects in 3 months, and that has given a very good confidence. I must say SCNext has given us a good support to the Abhi Impact Logistics, and it has motivated us to do the project at a very good
My name is Kuldeep Deshmukh. I did my internship in Abhi Impact Logistics Solution Private Limited. After all this, I just say thank you for Abhi Impact and SCNext organizations to give the best opportunity for ourselves and do your abilities and take your responsibilities in the big organizations. आणि सर्वात नंतर थँक्यू सर्वांकडून. आणि अभि इम्पॅक्टची टीम जी वर्क करते ती बेस्ट आहे.